Hello, my name is Jaclyn Walls. I am a student from Conway, Arkansas. I am participating in my senior year right now.
I'm from Searcy, Arkansas, and I graduated from Searcy High School. And I moved there from Marion, Arkansas, but I am majoring in industrial engineering. And in my free time, I enjoy photography and playing video games or whatever, but I also really hanging out with my friends and getting to know other people that are in my major.
I chose industrial engineering because I really liked the aspect that engineering helps you to think critically, but it also, industrial engineering has this different side of it where you're more focused on the business world and optimization and thinking as a system as a whole. So that's what really spoke to me about this major.
I went to the information session last year, and just to hear the upperclassmen talk about all of their opportunities and all the things they've accomplished so far, and just to learn more about the major and what I'm going to be doing, and learning that we're more of a businessy type of engineering, so we're more social and it's more than just sitting behind a screen and closed off.
I went into college really wanting to be an accountant, but I didn't necessarily want to get my undergraduate degree in accounting, so that's why I transitioned into industrial engineering, just because it plays the role of that business critical thinking that I was talking about. So after graduation, I plan to attend a university to get my master's of accountancy and get a CPA. So I'm really looking to transition into the business world of finding a way that merges industrial engineering and that critical thinking that these courses have taught me into a role as an auditor or a tax foundation specialist.
I don't have any specific company, but I've heard companies of Boeing and ArcBest, and any of those would be kind of cool to work with as long as I get to stay in Arkansas.
One thing that's really important to me is traditions across University of Arkansas and also within our department. So I'm going to be really excited to come back and hopefully get inducted into AAIE one day, because I've had my own career successes. But one thing that IISE is really focused on is the three pillars of students to students, students to faculty, and then students to alumni. So just keeping the connection of the student alumni is going to be really important to the community that industrial engineering is wanting to push forward to in the future. So I hope to be a part of that and getting to pour into students that mentors and alumni have poured into me.
15 years from now, if I were to join AAIE, I would really enjoy giving the same scholarship that I've received, because then I know it'll help the student just like it helped me. And also I'd like to focus on women in engineering or minorities, because I feel like they should be more prominent in engineering than they are. And I feel like with scholarships, they're more influenced to stay in industrial engineering and continue to represent.
Sometimes it feels like you're just writing a check or attending a banquet, but what you're doing and what you're a part of is actually a lot more, as you're impacting students. You're pushing them forward and saying somebody actually does believe in me and my career aspirations through those sorts of scholarships sometimes, or whether you're coming back for a peer mentor circle. That does matter and it does impact these students. And over the past 3 years being so involved within this department, I have felt that connection and how important it is for me. I've been encouraged by mentors, and I've also had the beneficial factor of scholarships, and it's been really critical for my enrollment, I guess. So thank you.
I really appreciate the scholarship because it helps with obviously with financial aid and everything, but I'm really appreciative to AAIE for supporting the students year after year and watching us grow as we go through college.
Thank you, AAIE.
Thank you, AAIE.